Hello guys, welcome to tutorial number 8 on Solidworks, and in this tutorial we'll be adding more details to this car, like adding a mirror on both sides and bringing number plate on the back and the front as well. So let's get started. Let's turn on all the blueprints, and here right view is needed, top view is also needed, and front view is also needed. So we are going to design this rear view mirror here. So let's get started. We are going to start with top plane, make a sketch on top plane, and click on normal tool and turn on the wireframe view so that you can see the blueprint. And so what are we going to do is we are going to draw a figure like this from here to here. Press escape, and using these handles drag this one, all these like that. Alright, after that we are going to trim this. First we are just trying to achieve a figure, then we are going to trim it and all, and we are going to get the exact mirror-like shape. So after drawing this, use rectangle and draw a rectangle from this corner to this corner. No, not rectangle, and not in this one. Alright, after doing that, now don't draw the rectangle or anything, just this figure, and get out the sketch. Now what we are going to do is we are going to press the space bar, and we are going to see the right view, and we are going to extrude it. Extrude it how much? Let's see, 100 or 150. I think 150 is enough. And we are going to offset it because the mirror is up here and our sketch is down here. So we are going to offset it, and keep pressing, keep doing it. And let's zoom up a little bit. There we go. Alright, now the mirror is totally inside this extrude. Click OK and turn on the shaded with edges. There you can see the extruded part. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to right view, make a sketch on right plane, turn on the wireframe. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use spline here, like this, here, like this, like this. After getting a closed loop like structure, drag these handles, like that, like that. Like this. Alright, now what we are going to do is we are going to draw a rectangle like this, big, so that a figure can completely get in, and press escape and then get out of the sketch. Now we are going to use extrude cut, and for that we are going to turn on the shaded view. and extrude cut this side, change the direction and drag it all the way through. There you can see that, and click OK. There you go. Now we're left with this one, and we're going to set a front plane and make a sketch on front, and using spline we can draw all these. Like that, and again we're going to draw a square. Right click, select, get out of this sketch. Now click on extrude cut and drag it all the way through so that you can cut this section, and click OK. There you go. We're left with this weird structure, and now we are going for top plane. Turn on the wireframe so you can see the blueprint. And now on top plane we are going to draw this sketch. Press escape, then again spline. Like that. Like that. Make it coincident with this. Try to drag it like that. Alright, now we are going to draw a corner rectangle. Right click, select, get out of the sketch, and now let's turn on the shaded view edges. Okay, using extrude cut, change the direction. Alright, and click OK. There you go. So you can see this is the raw material. Now we have to shape it with fillet here. So let's make it 20 because these edges are very big. Let's see 22 works or not. 22. No, 22 is not working. So let's make it 20. Alright. Select all these edges and this one as well. Alright. This edges. Alright, this edge is not going to take 20, so let's select this one, this one, this one. Okay, this is not. Alright, let's select this one. Okay, this one also. Alright, click OK. Alright, now we are going to use again fillet. Let's type in smaller value 15. Let's see whether it works. Alright, 15 is sufficient for this one. Let's see it takes 18 or not. Yes. Alright, 18 is also good. Let's see 19. Alright. But it's not going to take 20. Oh, it's taking 20. Alright. Okay. Edit this one. And what are we left with? Okay, these edges. Alright. this edges is also left. Let's alright. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's delete that. This edge. Type OK. And using fillet 10 is okay. Alright. Okay. So now we are left with this. The reason you're seeing all these lines is because of the fillet. If we will turn on the shaded, as you can see, now it does look like in there. So this is it. Alright. So this is a flat surface. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a sketch on this surface. Alright, what else? And convert entities using offset. Reverse, not 10 millimeters, way too much. Maybe 5. I think 5 is too much as well. The rest is 3. 3. Okay. Alright. Get out of the sketch. Extrude this part just by 2 millimeters. So here you can see the extruded. Alright, that's good. Now what we are going to do is we are going to draw this mirror connecting thing. So make a sketch on top plane and turn on the wireframe view, you can see. So using circle, draw a circle here, right click, select, get out of the sketch, turn on the shaded with edges. So what we are going to do is we are going to use split line, and because we want this impression to be all over this body. There we go, this one, this one, this one as well. Alright, let's click OK. There we go, we see the impression, this one. Now we are going to delete this face, this selected area using delete face. Select all these faces which is not required. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one as well. See what is left. Alright, click OK. You can see this is gone. Alright, we should have deleted this one as well, this one, this one, this one. Then click OK. There we go. Click out this surface. Go to right view and turn on the wireframe. Make a sketch on right plane. Circle, where is it? Here we go. Somewhere around here. Let's skip. Let's see this view. Turn on the shape. let's trim this surface. Get out of the sketch. If any changes we are going to make, we will just make changes with the sketch. It will automatically upload, I mean correct it. So where it go, this trim surface, select this little surface, remove selections, click OK. Alright, okay, I think circle is little shorter. Let's see whether it works or not. So what we are going to do is going to use Loft Selection Manager, select all these, Selection Manager, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, all these, that, this one, all these. Alright, click OK. So after that, we're going to select this one. Okay, there you can see it adds the material, I mean a surface between these two different side holes. And next thing we are going to do is, so what we want is it should be tangent with this surface. So tangency. Okay, as you can see, tangency with the surface. There you go. It's absolutely tangent. It looks like a continuum surface, which is absolutely tangent. Alright. So this is it. This is the mirror, and let's turn on the wireframe. As you can see, there is a line here, and we are going to draw that line using making a sketch on right plane. Go to line and click from there, here to use the surface. Like this. Get out of the sketch, turn on the shade with edges. We want this line over here. So split lines, sketch is selected, click on this surface. Alright, we'll get this line. Let's hide it. Alright. And this one is black in color, I think. Alright. We'll do it later. Coloring thing. Okay. First, next thing what we have to do is we need to bring mirror, this rear view mirror on the right side as well. So what we are going to do is we're going to go to mirror. The reference plane should be right plane, and bodies, this is the body. Select this one, and as you can see the image is shown. Alright. If you are in check, don't mess with all these things. Okay. Then we click OK. You can see mirror has come on this side as well. Alright. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to hide these blueprints. Exactly. Hide these blueprints. And we are going to add a 911 number here. Going to rear view and make a sketch on this plane. And before we go to any other thing, just because this mirror it took a lot of time, so let's save this thing. Click on save, go to the left, the rear view, and so what we're going to do, okay, we are going to make a sketch on this plane, sketch. Alright, and we're going to add a text here. On default, we are going to use our So let's select these font. Okay, make it 100. Okay, and type here 911 and click it here. And click on this thing. Alright, because these two surfaces are different, and it will you can create extrusion on one surface. So what we will do is we will type 91 as only 91, and we're going to font, because this font is little, we want different font. Alright, not this one. Georgia. Yeah, it looks good. Right, 911. Okay, and click OK. Get out of the sketch. Here you can see 911. We have to bring this 911 in on this surface. So we'll go to extrude. Okay, so it starts to extrude, but we want this to be on this surface. We are going to go to surface face plane. Click on that, and it will ask the surface. What surface? We'll click on this surface, or you can see this impression has created the extrusion. Alright, and make it not 2 mm, let's make it 10 mm. Alright, it's very clear and good looking. There you go. And let's add, because it's 911 not 91, so we're going to add another digit here. Let's make a sketch on this plane as well. Click on sketch, select this plane, click on normal tool again, and then we are going to go to okay, click on this text and type 100 here. Alright, let's type. What was the it was Georgia. Click OK and type just 1 here. Here you go. It is in level, and click OK. Let's get out of the sketch here. Okay, we get out of the sketch, and then we're going to go to extrude, and then we're going to go to face and select this face and change the direction of extrusion 10 mm, merge result and all. Or it will, if you uncheck, it doesn't change anything. Alright, click OK. There you go. You get a 911 logo at the back. So this is it, and because we have created a logo that logo here and 2 mirrors in this tutorial. Click on save after that. So in next tutorial we add little more details like number plate on the front here, and we will draw some headlight detailings and all, and all these things like rear mirror, rear glass and windshield and all. So stay tuned with this tutorial series, and stay connected. If you get any doubts, just type in the comment box. So let's see you in the next tutorial. Take care, guys.